Let us all start with the doxology to be led by our very own GCIC choral.
A few weeks back, a group of Singaporean partners came to the school. They visited us, they built partnership with us.
This skill model taught us patience and time management.
Ito po yung namin, ginawang motor-operated jeepney.
All the materials used to create these are all recycled.
It's a perfect project for large pieces of scrap paper and newspaper.
Indigenous materials such as sack of nuts or yung sahan ng mani.
The research entitled Another One Bites the Rust, Effectiveness of Rust as Phosphate.
The final product made by the researchers is a frappe with a shot of whiskey, a flavor of milk chocolate, and mixed with regular milk.
InnoID, an innovative identification card case invention for safety and educational purposes.
Try to think of it that you're creating something that will become the benchmark of something in the future. Kayo yung magiging benchmark ng iba.
We are here to showcase our e-business and elective 4 projects. This project is about leveraging the integrated power of the internet by selling different products and services online.
It's a 10.3 hectare resort which includes the land base, which is the lobby, the restaurant, the open space, and the space for the solar panels.
So attitude is very important when you are considering the path to success.
Thankful talaga kami kay God, tsaka sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa amin. Thank you!
I feel very happy, especially from my city babies right there. I'm really thankful to be right here and be able to be in the top 5 films.
First of all, I want to thank God for giving us this kind of opportunity and the whole cast and crew of Atrocious Serenity and our class moderator and to all the professors na nag-guide po sa amin. And to the faculty head, thank you.
Thank you po sa lahat ng mga supported, lalo na po si Miss Annie, our moderator. And sa mga classmates ko, syempre, hindi ko magagawa to. Sir Director, kung wala kayo syempre.
Thank you for all the support and love that you have given us. Thank you for my groupmates. Thank you for staying with me and tolerating me in my bad days. And also thank you for our parents, for our sponsors. Thank you to all of you and God bless.